Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 27th, 2024, almost end of the month. We have here already two puzzles solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. 8088. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15, I believe. Yeah, 15. All right. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, need to think. Well. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Oh, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.